All right, so currently this is what our project looks like, and it's okay, at least in my opinion. But I want to improve upon this. I want to make this better. I want to get this. The theme of the institution that I'm building this thing in a sense for is black and yellow. So we're gonna have the links being highlighted in yellow and the background being in black. So the background uh, for the header and also the footer as well. And yeah, so we're gonna make this bold and highlighted in yellow always, and the rest only these are gonna be in white, and whenever it's highlighted it's gonna be in yellow. I should get this centered as well, so that's what I'm gonna do in this video, and I'm gonna bring this thing up to about here. So let's get right into that now. So I have the server, as you can see, is already running. This, to get that thing centered, this should not be text, this should be flex. And I'm not gonna save it yet because I want everything to run the server to reload once. So the next thing that I wanna do is to get this thing here to have a dark background, a black background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create an ID because the UK secondary background secondary class will not override the default style for the nav. So I'm just gonna do a custom styling for this. So I'm just gonna say main nav. So that's what I'm gonna call it for now. And down in the main nav here, this apply thing, I'm gonna get rid of it. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in an inline style because I see that that works best. Right here, we're gonna go for that main nav ID, and we are going to change the background color to black, and that should be at I think that's 00, or is this white? I think it's, but we'll find out eventually. The next thing that we want to change is the color of the links when they are active, and that's to yellow. All right, so it's black. Good. So the yellow color should be 4 F's and 2 zeros, and for this here, we want to change it to white. So I'm going to change this to white. So we want all the rest of the text to turn to white so that we can see them on the background. So that's that. And what else do we need to do? The footer, we want to change the footer to well, before we go to the footer, this apply here, I'm going to change this to style, and I want to change this to a style attribute. And this here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a color of yellow, and I'm gonna also just put the font weight in here as well. I'm just gonna go for font weight, and this will be bold. I could have put it in the in here in the styles, but I decided to just go ahead and put everything in here. So the color is going to be yellow, and the font weight is going to be bold. So this text here that says apply, the link is gonna be a very bold link. So this should center everything. This should get the background to be dark, and the text white. The footer as well, we want to do that on the footer. So before I save everything, I would like to just copy this here and just paste it in here. I just change this to main footer instead of nav, and then put the ID on this here. This will be our main. This should be ID. I don't like that this doesn't put the quotes for me. This will be a main footer, not that. So we're gonna have a main footer, and what I'll do is this won't have enough space, so it won't look all that great. What I could do, I can duplicate this thing. I could just bring this down and see if that will make it look any better, at least for now. The carousel, I wanna shift this up a bit. So what I need to do is I'm gonna put this up some more. So the ratio is gonna be 8:3. So that should bring it up some more. So now what I'll do is I'll just save each of the out. I wonder if I can save them all. Save tabs, and I can't save them all. That sucks. So I'm just gonna go through all of these and just save them, and then we can look in the browser just to check this out. All right, so that's finished. So now this looks a whole lot better. This thing is still messing around, but that's cool for now. Okay, so now this is centered. These links are gonna be highlighted. This will always be highlighted. You see that it's bold. So if we click over here, you can see that this is now highlighted and this is gone. The footer, I should have changed the text, but that's cool for now. This, you can see that the image as well is not all the way down under the page. So that's even way better. And I like these dark colors. I think I may work with this as the default. That's cool. So now in the footer, you can see that this has a this now has a dark background. I should put this light to change the text, the color to the light, so that it looks that it goes with this up here. We need to get that logo, but I haven't got permission yet for this thing, so we can't do that just yet. So we're just gonna leave that for now. But I'm gonna just change the color of this, and I'll see if I could do this. Not sure if it will work, but sometimes it doesn't. But well, it depends. Probably I'm just the one making the mistake. But I think these ends with semicolons today. Let's save that and check it out. All right, awesome. So now this is more white. So this looks a whole lot. It matches with the background now, much better. Being that I have a bit of time, what I want to do is I want to change this. I don't like the whole lot of space that's here. That's something that I'm going to fix. But I really don't like that amount of space. I'm going to put my own containers. I'm going to make a custom container. So in where is it? Okay, I'm not gonna close these. I shouldn't have closed the other ones either. So in, I think, is it the app or is it the home? I think it's the home. In the home component, I'm gonna take the UK container class off of this, and I think I may put it right here. But in this, I'm gonna put a class called my container, and in my container, we're gonna have a div style. Not it. I'm gonna let it be not scoped, and the reason for that is just in case I wanna use it somewhere else on our application. So that's why I'm gonna do that. And I probably should put it in the app. So that would be much better. So I'm probably gonna consider that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it to be the margin from the left and the right And for now, because I keep forgetting which one is left and right, for now I'm just gonna duplicate these in a sense and just change them around. So this is gonna be one rem. Well, actually two. Two I think is good. And from the right, and there's a better way of doing this, which I will do afterwards, but this always is always a better, a fast way. Let's save that. Alright, so I haven't seen any changes just yet. Alright, so here we go. So now you can see that the inner UK class, container class, shift these over. So this doesn't hitch to the side anymore. It looks much better now. And also you can see that these, the from here, the space isn't all that big, so it looks a whole lot better now. So yeah, so this is basically what we have so far. We're gonna put some links down here, obviously, eventually, and yeah, we're gonna fix these drop downs. You can see that they're white now, so I'm probably gonna have to fix the background for this. So that's pretty much that for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.